Once your tap water has been cleaned of contaminants by your pre-filter, it then enters your top-of-the-line water ionizer, your Kangen machine. Upon entry, the water gets filtered again for any excess chlorine, rust, or sediment, and then moves through the electrolysis chamber. As the water passes over the platinum-coated titanium plates, the electrical charge separates the H2O into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, creating two streams of water. One is alkaline water, and the other is acidic water. Positively charged hydrogen ions and positively charged minerals, such as sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, are drawn toward the cathode, the negatively charged electrode plates. Essentially, at the cathode, water is reduced to hydrogen gas and hydroxide ions, producing antioxidant alkalized water rich in molecular hydrogen, while the negatively charged hydroxide ions, OH negative, and negatively charged minerals in the water such as carbonate and sulfate are drawn toward the positively charged electrode plates, the anode, producing acidic water and molecular oxygen. Essentially, at the anode, water is oxidized to oxygen gas and hydrogen ions.